Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, fog lights, CD player, brake assist, tachometer, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.